You there, boy! What day is it today?
It's Christmas Day, sir.
Christmas Day? I knew it. The spirits, they did it all in one night. The whole three of them. I knew it would work. I didn't think they could do it, but they did it. Here, have half a crown. Ow. Yes, that's it. Merry Christmas.
Hello, Mr. Scrooge. Merry Christmas. Talking of which, guess what? By some sort of ironic coincidence, just as you've grown to love Christmas, isn't that weird? We've all grown to hate it. That's funny. Got that on it yet?
Merry Christmas.
Shut up!
What?
Why is it merry? It's awful. Haven't you heard about the Queen?
No?
She was visited by a ghost last night. They said there would be 3 spirits, but they never turned up. Her Majesty was up all night, I tell you. There was this old lady who kept telling her rambling stories, apparently.
Oh, never mind. Sing a song of Christmas cheer.
Do.
We hate Christmas now. Humbug.
Just a minute. Lord Mythanwy, it's Mr. Scrooge. Merry Christmas. Have a present from me. And I'm doubling your salary.
What? Are you feeling alright, Mr. Scrooge?
He's gone mad. Me? Oh no, Mythanwy, there's nothing wrong with me. You see, because I was visited by 3 ghosts last night, you see, and they sorted me all out, you see, you know, they took me back in time. He's lost his mind. Well, he is English. Tiny was finally... And not Welsh. You must be happy. And I found this and I thought I'd come double your salary.
God bless us, everyone.
God bless us, everyone. Merry Christmas.
Omelette. Shirley.
Jim?